Hello friends, now we are going to see about the Operation Blackboard scheme. Based on the National Education Policy 1986 brought by our former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, this Operation Blackboard scheme was launched by the central government in the year 1987. The main aim of this is to provide the additional facilities to the school that has been already established. The main purpose of this scheme is to provide the necessary teaching learning materials, that is the institution needed, the school will need the equipments to bring a quality in education. What are all the equipments needed to the institution it provides? Not only that, the educational materials for the students who are studying in primary organizations. The state government will make a provision for the replacement of this broken equipments with the new equipments. The previous condition is in a particular class, three standards, that is standard 1, 2, 3, three standard students will sit in a particular only one single room. This situation need to be changed. So for each class or section, there should be at least one room. In addition to that, library and essential teaching equipments will be provided by the scheme. The segregation of toilets for boys and girls, and the existing teachers, apart from the existing teachers, three teachers and three rooms will be provided based on the enrollment requirements. If the enrollment is increased, the teachers and rooms should also be increased. This scheme gives a special importance to the schools that are located in the SC/ST areas. We know that there are two kinds of planning, that is the micro planning and the macro planning. This Operation Blackboard will act as an integral part of that micro planning. At least 50% of women teachers should be appointed. Why? Because means there should be a positive impact on girl students for the purpose of the retention and the enrollment. Teachers will be trained to use this Operation Blackboard teaching materials. Being new to this, they should need special training in this Operation Blackboard scheme. So with the help of a specially designed training program, they gave training. Not only in primary schools, in the upper primary schools also different facilities will be provided, like grants for replenishment of items and repair, etc. Here also every section should have at least one teacher. So friends, I hope that you all have understood well about the Operation Blackboard scheme. Thank you.